Precision and stability define the right workstation for serious cutting tasks. Best saw bench options deliver strength, safety, and accuracy, supporting clean cuts, efficient workflow, and long-term durability for workshops, job sites, and demanding DIY projects alike. Today for professionals. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Worx Pegasus Saw Bench. The Worx Pegasus Saw Bench is designed for users who value portability without sacrificing strength or versatility. Its fold-and-go construction makes it exceptionally easy to transport, set up, and store, making it well-suited for garages, workshops, and mobile job sites. The standout feature is its true 2-in-1 functionality, allowing seamless conversion between a full workbench and a sturdy sawhorse. As a workbench, it supports up to 300 pounds, while its sawhorse configuration handles an impressive 1,000 pounds, accommodating everything from heavy lumber to equipment and home improvement materials. The 31 by 25-inch surface provides ample workspace for cutting, staining, painting, or assembly tasks, while the 32-inch working height promotes comfort during extended use. Durability is another strong point, with molded ABS plastic reinforced by steel supports and fittings that ensure long-term reliability. Despite its rugged build, the bench weighs only 30 pounds, making it easy to carry under one arm. Its expandable design further enhances value as it integrates smoothly with other work support tables of the same height. Number 2. SKIL 10-inch Saw Bench. The SKIL 10-inch saw bench is built for precision-focused users who prioritize accuracy and controlled cutting performance. One of its defining features is the rack and pinion fence rail system, which keeps the fence perfectly parallel to the blade, enabling smooth, fast, and repeatable cuts. This design significantly reduces setup time and minimizes alignment errors, making it ideal for woodworking projects that demand consistency. The integrated folding stand adds convenience by allowing quick breakdown for transport or compact storage, a benefit for smaller workshops or job sites with limited space. Blade alignment is another strength, with micro-adjustment capabilities that ensure the blade remains parallel to both the rip fence and miter slot. In terms of capacity, the bench can handle cuts up to 4x4 material at 90 degrees, offering flexibility for framing and general construction tasks. The bevel range of 2 to 47 degrees, with positive stops at 0 and 45 degrees, supports angled cuts with minimal adjustment effort. Number 3. Pony Portable Saw Bench. The Pony Portable Saw Bench stands out as a highly adaptable solution for users who require flexibility across different work environments. Its 2-in-1 design allows it to function as both a workbench and a sawhorse, making it suitable for workshops, garages, gardens, and outdoor job sites. With a load capacity of up to 500 pounds as a work table and 1,000 pounds as a sawhorse, it offers impressive strength supported by a durable aluminum leg frame. A key advantage is its height-adjustable design, which allows 6 different height settings ranging from 30 to 35 inches. This feature helps reduce strain and improves ergonomics when handling tasks at varying levels. The included accessory set adds significant value, providing multiple bar clamps, bench dogs, and safety straps to enhance clamping and workpiece stability. These accessories expand the range of tasks that can be completed efficiently, from cutting and sanding to assembly and repairs. Portability is another strong point, as the bench folds flat for easy transport and storage. Overall, the Pony Portable Saw Bench is a versatile, well-equipped option for users who want adjustability, strength, and convenience in a compact design. Number 4. WEN 9-inch Saw Bench. The WEN 9-inch Saw Bench is a compact and efficient option designed for detailed cutting tasks and smaller workshops. Powered by a 2.8 amp motor, it drives the blade at speeds up to 2,500 feet per minute, providing smooth and controlled cutting performance. This bench is capable of making cuts up to 3.5 inches deep and 9 inches wide, making it suitable for a range of woodworking and craft applications. It supports blade sizes ranging from 1/8 to 3/8 inches, offering flexibility for different materials and cutting requirements. This spacious work table, measuring 12 1/4 by 11 7/8 inches, provides adequate support for smaller workpieces while maintaining a compact footprint. Bevel adjustments up to 45 degrees expand its versatility, allowing for angled and beveled cuts with ease. Included accessories such as a rip fence, miter gauge, dust port, and a starter blade add immediate usability right out of the box. Overall, the WEN 9-inch saw bench is a practical choice for hobbyists and light-duty users seeking reliable performance in a space-efficient design. Number 5. ENJOYWOOD 60-inch saw bench. The ENJOYWOOD 60-inch saw bench is engineered for maximum stability, strength, and long-term workshop use. Its 30mm premium rubber wood tabletop delivers a solid, vibration-resistant surface that enhances safety and comfort during standing and sawing tasks. The transparent protective coating improves durability and extends the service life of the work surface. Structural integrity is a major highlight, with an H-shaped steel frame reinforced by upper and lower crossbars for superior load distribution. The heavy-duty steel legs and large metal feet allow the bench to support loads of up to 3,000 pounds, making it suitable for demanding industrial or professional applications. Integrated ETL-certified power outlets provide convenient access to power tools, while the cord organizer helps maintain a clean and efficient workspace. Storage is also well addressed through an under-table shelf and multiple pegboards that increase organization options. Adjustable metal feet ensure stability on uneven floors, while anti-slip rubber pads reduce movement and noise. Overall, the ENJOYWOOD 60-inch saw bench is a premium heavy-duty solution. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon